Assalamualaikum and hi. I am Ikhwan Hafizudddin from class 3 Razzi, and I will talk about the blood flow in our body. So first, when we inhale oxygen, it will enter our body through our nostrils and make its way to the alveolus in our lung. The oxygen in the alveolus will then transfer to the capillary via diffusion. It will then fuse with the red blood cells in the capillaries. Then, the oxygenated blood will flow through the pulmonary vein and enter the heart to the left atrium, and it will go to the left ventricle. Then, the oxygenated blood will go through the artery to all parts of the body except the lungs. Then, the oxygen in the blood will then fuse with the cells in the body, and the blood will become deoxygenated blood. The deoxygenated blood will then go back to the heart through our veins. It will go through the right atrium and right ventricle and go back to our lungs through the pulmonary artery. And the carbon dioxide in the blood will then be diffused back into the alveolus and be exhaled out of the body. And now, I will talk about the effect of tar and nicotine in cigarette smoke to our blood and respiratory system. So first, when we inhale cigarette smoke, the nicotine in it will go through our lungs and enter the alveolus. It will then transfer itself to our bloodstream via diffusion in the blood capillaries, and then the nicotine will make its way to our brain through our artery. The nicotine will then stimulate the brain to release dopamine, a chemical which makes us feel satisfied and good. This is what causes the addiction to cigarette. Then, when we stop consuming the nicotine, we will start feeling anxious and depressed. And now, I will talk about the effect of tar to our body. Tar contains most of the harmful chemicals in cigarette smoke, which causes cancer. When cigarette smoke is inhaled, the tar can form a sticky layer on the inside of the lungs. It also damages the cilia, a small hair-like structures in our lungs which help keep the airways clean. This increases the likelihood of infections in our lungs and also chronic diseases like bronchitis. That's all from me. Bye.